Dora the Explorer. Good night, Dora. Hola, I am Dora. Boots is coming to my house for a sleepover tonight. The bigger booger babies are almost asleep. Can you whisper good night? Now whisper in its Spanish. Buenas noches. Peep, peep, peep. The birds are peeping good night. Say good night to the birds. Buenas noches, pajaros. Let's go home. First, we have to go through the flowery garden. I hear a noise coming from those flowers. Buzz, buzz, buzz. The bees are buzzing good night. Will you say good night to the bees? Buenas noches, apiches. Oh, I hear something coming from the barn. Cluck, cluck, cluck. The chickens are clucking good night. Let's say good night, the chickens. Buenas noches, polos. Wait, someone's next to the log. Squeak, squeak, squeak. The mice are squeaking good night. Say good night to the mice. Buenas noches, ratons. Bee. Oh, I think I hear something. Hiss, hiss, hiss. The snakes are hissing good night. Will you say good night to the snakes? Buenas noches, culebras. Hey, someone's making a sound in the pond. Ribbit, ribbit. The frogs are croaking good night. Let's say good night to them. Buenas noches, franos. We are almost home. We just have to get over this bridge. Oh, I hear something. Hoot, hoot, hoot. The owl is hooting good night. Let's say good night to the owl. Buenas noches, lechuza. Hey, we are home. Good night, Boots. Buenas noches, Mommy. And good night to you too. Buenas noches,